So let's talk about the minor addiction of me vacuum sealing things because I love it. It is so satisfying for some reason. I have no idea why. So when Eallpha reached out and asked me to give their vacuum seal system a try, absolutely, because I already know that I love vacuum sealing. They're so easy. If you are looking to keep your food fresher longer, vacuum sealing is the way to go. So this particular kit comes with the vacuum sealer. It comes with the USB-C charger, which is how you'll charge it. It does come with a cool little device to help you pop your lids off once they're sealed. It also comes with this little zipper device that you place on your bags and run it across so that it seals your bag nice and tight before you remove the air from it. And then it comes with a whole lot of small mouth lids and larger mason jar mouth lids. So let's get started. Again, a little addicting for me, so bear with me. So super easy. You've got your valve right here. This is where it's going to remove the air from the jar. You've got the same size circle. You're just going to place it right over it, press down slightly, push your power button, and then your countdown begins. So it's really super quick. I've found that this is actually the quickest one I've ever tried. So this is the fourth one that I've tried, and this one gets the job done quicker than any of the others that I have found. I also like that the lids are metal versus plastic. Some of the ones I have used have been plastic, and we're just trying to remove plastics from our life. So I love the metal lids. That's it. It's done. It's that simple. We are attached and the air has been removed. So very cool. Super easy to pop off. You can use the little tool they provide. I have tools of my own, but yeah, just comes right off. So it's real easy if you're going to use something out of your jar. I like to keep this just on my countertop in the corner, and I can just stick it on there, press the button, and it seals back up really quickly. So let's move over to a bag. Now, when you use a vacuum seal bag, you may develop an unhealthy addiction to watching the bag, the air being sucked out of the bag. It's weird, I know, but it's just such a cool thing when you watch the air being removed out of the bag. It's just cool. And it does preserve your food. It helps it to stay good for longer. And we're all trying to save money, obviously. And so making our grocery dollars go further is certainly very helpful. And this does that. That took 15 seconds, which is way shorter than most of the other vacuum sealers that I've used. So yeah, I mean, look at that. Is that not the coolest thing ever? And then again, really easy to take it apart. I like that they actually make these Ziploc bags not super easy. They are a little difficult to get into sometimes, but that's good because it really holds the seal. So yeah, open her up. She's ready to go. Really enjoy this Eallpha brand vacuum sealer. It comes with a nice little hook. You can hang it just on the inside of your cabinet door on a little hook. I really love it. It has everything you need to get started other than the jars. You'll need your own jars. But yeah, I definitely will be using this one in my home.